Today we're going to bring some gloves. These are perfect for riding your bike, your motorcycle, for long distance, short distance. They're very comfortable. Now let's go ahead and some details on the actual gloves. First of all, if you guys notice right here in the front, these are hard plastic here. It's a carbon fiber look. If you guys can see that, it has cushions on every single finger. Now if you turn them around, the best part, this is my favorite part, it has haptic feedback for your phone. And if you can see it on the actual system here, on the actual glove, it has extra cushion here in the palm. It has another hard plastic here, so if you're going to hit the ground, or maybe you'll never hit hopefully you'll never hit the ground. Now the actual glove, this is an actual large, but different sizes are available. I like that it has this hard cover here in the front and the back too, and then it has a little bar of light reflection in here along with the logo itself, and of course has Velcro, so you could tie it up to your hand and make sure it's secure. So these are perfect if you're going to ride your motorcycle. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.